All right. Hayi njalo ayijike uma isinje. Hayi msindisi. Hayi kulungileke. You. Number 20 ne? Hayi sayivala manje. Sayivala. Osidingayo uyazi ke useyosithola phi. Asiphendule futhi imibuzo yakho bela wakho. Ngeke uzibone leyo. Hamba ubuza ugobela wakho. Mawungenayo buza abakini. Injalo nje ayijiki. Right then. We've spoken about the oldest element, which was water. And we've spoken about the strongest element. I think it was 17 or 16. When I enlightened you, in my seminars 5, 6, 7 years ago, when I started my very first seminar, I spoke about the element of earth or land. On my conference arm, I speak about these things. All my seminars, when I did the one-man show of food, I spoke about this. The element of earth or land. Kulo masihamba umhlaba. Lo esihamba wona ngumzimba olamadokodo lawa esinawo emfanekiso yabantu basemakhaya kithi. Uma kugula umzimba ulashwa ngani? Ulashwa ngezinto ezitholakala kulomhlaba esihamba khona. Ukuze kube khona ukuphila kulomhlaba kudingeka umoya. There's life above and beneath water. Everything ephilayo idinga ukuthini iphefumule, iphile, ibe nomoya. Right? That's logic. And then izinto ezikhulayo kulomhlaba zidinga nzona. It needs the oldest element, which is water. Then it also needs the strongest element, which is air. Now let's think of seasons. 2 years ago, I spoke about seasons and how seasons relate to izinto ezenzakalayo spiritually and physically. Thwasa busika, bese kuba ubusika. Thwasa hlobo, bese kuba ukuhlobo. Ehlobo. It is the prerequisite of what is to come. There are things that grow in spring and blossom in summer. There are also things that die in the spring or towards the end of the summer, coming into autumn. And when it is autumn, there are things that stop growing and others that blossom when it is winter time. All these things need the element of water. All of these things need the element of air. And all of these things need or grow from the earth. Let me take you on a little journey. Sihambe sehlathini. What happens in these seasons? A lot of changes, ne? What happens in the wild? What happens in the oceans? And the tides and all of these funny stuff. See? And there's one element that is always there, which is the air. Because I want you to think. I want you to sit and think. Ubuza abantu basekhaya kini. Mina ngiyenwa kini nangebhadi. Soze futhi ngaba uyena. Boza abakini ukuze bakufundise bakukhanyisele. Ngoba mhla uhamba la uyokhuluma nabo abakini. Ibona futhi abayokulanda. Bona futhi oyokhuluma uhlale nabo. Ukuthi uyakuliphi iside angazi. Ngoba khona abalela ubuthongo, khona abangabulela ubuthongo. Hayi, angizili ukuzoshumayela. Kodwa sishiye nje lapho. Your strongest ally lies within your own family or ancestors. Your strongest enemy lies within your own ancestors. Your weakest point also lies within your own ancestors. But it is you that controls that. Ukanjani usesigodlweni ecancele. Mawuhlulwa yilokho buza abakini. Danko.